Hello and welcome to RLRX Network. I'm your friend, and in this amazing video, which is the 22nd video of this VBA series, in this video I will teach you how you can use and or else if statement together to make your VBA series more beautiful. Alright, so for this here I have taken an example of my best friend name, which name is Radha, and she is studying in 12th class, and what marks is she getting is mentioned over here. And on the basis of these data I have created a macro, and this macro I have linked with this button. Alright, and if I will click on this button, then the macro will run and will do what I have done in this macro. Alright, so let's first understand what I have done in macro, then I will teach you how you can create this. Alright, so in this macro, if these three cells in any cells will be blank, then and if I will run this macro, then it will say you that please update your record. Means if any cell will be blank in these three cells, then after running this macro it will say you that please update your all record. Let's see. Let's say I will delete this data and just run this macro. Alright, and now we need to reassign this, so I'm just clicking, and now this is your subname, and then now just run it. Now here you can see it is saying please update your record because this cell is blank. Alright, let's say if I have filled this name and this one is blank and I'm running this macro, so also it is saying that please update your all record. Alright, so we need to update these three cells, then we can run this macro. Alright, then in third cell where marks is mentioned, this marks is mentioned in three conditions. It means if the marks will be below 40% and we will run this macro, then it will say you that you need to do more study. Alright, let's if I will run this, here you can see need to change. Let's say I'm taking 35, which is also less than 40, and I am running this code, so it's saying or padhai karo. It means you need to more study. Alright, and if I will give the marks from above 40 to below 80, let's say this is the second condition, from above 40 to below 80, then the code will run and it will say you that shabash. Alright, and in the third condition, if the marks is greater than 80 and we are going to run this code, then it will say you what. Let's see, let's say I'm just giving the marks 95 and I'm running this code. Now it's saying तुमने तो नाम ही रोशन कर दिया मेरा. Alright, so this condition I have applied in this VBA code, and now I will teach you how you can apply any condition and you can just put it in VBA code. Alright, so just learn. For this I will just click on developer tab, click on Visual Basics, and this coding which is I have made for you. Alright, so let's create another coding with different subnames. So let's say I'm taking this time subname is my marks 1. Alright, this one is my marks, and the new subname which would be my marks 1, and just run enter. Alright, now to write the comments I will just use these comments, so I will just copy it and then press Ctrl V to save your time, precious time. Alright, now let's start running this code. Alright, so first I will use if this workbook dot sheets. Alright, in the first VBA coding I want to do if any blank will be if any cell will be blank, then the code will run you need to update your all record. Alright, so for this I need to pass each and every cell one by one, which is first one is K8, second one is K9, and the third one is K10. Alright, and these three cells is on sheet 1, so here I will pass the sheet 1 name. So open the bracket, open the quotes, and the sheet name is sheet 1. Alright, then range, it means in which range the data is mentioned over here. So the first one is K8, close the bracket, then dot value, because we want to put any value, is equal to, if this cell is blank, then what we have to do, I will just press underscore button in this coding so that our next line will be continuous of the upper line. Alright, and now I will just press Ctrl C to Ctrl V to repeat the same activity. Alright, now here I will change the cell name, which is K9, and then in last K10. Alright, so these three cell I have passed, and if these all cell are blank, then first we need to remove this OR because our condition is completed. Then run this code and open a message box and tell that please update your all record. It means if any cell will be blank in this data, then the message will be open and it will say you that please update your all record. Alright, now in the else condition, alright, here I will take a dim which name is, let's say I'm taking marks, as this one would be double. You can also take any one which is long and integer, any of the one. Alright, and now let's declare the marks variable work. So marks is equal to this workbook dot sheets, but this time the marks cell is K10, so we need to pass the K10 cell, so that would be available in sheet 1 dot range K10 dot value. Alright, then if marks is less than 40, then generate a message box. Let's just scroll down some, then generate a message box and tell us that you need to do more study. Alright, else if marks is greater than 40 and marks is less than 80, then also generate a message box and tell her that it's good but keep it better. Alright, means if she will get the marks from above 40 and to below 80, then the message will be show that it's good but keep to better. And in the last condition, which would be in else, generate a message box. This would be run when your marks is more than 80, then excellent. Alright, and now just close this. Type 2 times and if, because we have used nested if. Alright, so now here our coding is done, and now let's run this code. So for this I will just first reassign this code, because assign this with new subname, which is my marks 1. And now if I will do any cell blank, let's say I'm removing the name and I'm running this code, then it's saying please update your record. Alright, let's say if I will type the name and the mark cell is blank, then it will also say you that please update your all record. It means for running this VBA code we need to update these all 3 cells, then we can run our macro. Alright, so let's say I'm taking the marks as 35. Alright, so here in 35 we have given some condition. In first condition, if marks is less than 40 and if you will run this code, then a message will be generated that you need to do more study, which we have mentioned in our code. If the marks is above 40 and below 80, let's say 60, and if you will run this code, then it will say you that it's good but keep it better. Alright, and now if marks is more than 80 and if you will run this code, then it will say you that your job is excellent. Alright, so this is how you can use and or else if statement together and make your VBA series, make your VBA data more beautiful and more attractive. Alright, so I hope you will like this video, and if you will like this video, please like it. If you did not subscribe my channel still, please subscribe it. And if you have any query regarding this video, so you can just do the comments below of this video, and I will meet you in next video to teach you an array topic. All right, in next video we will learn array, which is most important in this VBA series. All right, so we'll meet you in next video. Till then, goodbye.